Vitamin cannot be inhaled or exhaled like air through lungs. Even it's not substances to be cultured or formed like microbes or digested in stomach. Rather, it can be synthesized through many metabolism in the body. And it is so relevant with respect to the whole passage, which gives a view of production of vitamin D. And so correct answer for 2 is synthesized. The first line is deterred by the word because and only, which denote that the blank one is dependent on the specification of blank 2, as it is the only vitamin that can be synthesized in the body. It is clear that nothing is mentioned here about its taste. So insipid or tidbit is irrelevant option because they mean something tasteless or something delicious to eat respectively. So correct answer for blank one is outlandish because it is unusual in comparison with other types of vitamin to be the only vitamin can be synthesized in the body. Sunscreen acts usually as a protection, and so it hinders to reach sunlight to the skin, and the obvious correct answer for blank 3 is prevent against all other unfit options, all of which denote the process that can increase the formation of vitamin D. So the correct answers are choice A, choice F, and choice I.